Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll guide you through how to write a B-1 visa application letter. This letter is an essential document when applying for a B-1 business visa, as it helps convey the purpose of your visit and your intent to return to your home country. You should begin your B-1 visa application letter by including your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, city, postal code, email, phone number, and the date of writing. Below that, address the letter to the U.S. embassy or consulate, specifying its address, city, and country. Next, include a subject line clearly stating the purpose of your letter, such as B-1 visa application letter. Begin the letter with a formal salutation, addressing the recipient as Dear Consular Officer. After that, write, I am writing to apply for a B-1 business visa to visit the United States for mention purpose, e.g., attending a business meeting, conference, or training from start date to end date. I am currently employed as your job title at company name where I have been working for duration. My company has approved my travel and I have attached the necessary documents, including an invitation letter from company organization in the U.S. confirming my participation. I intend to return to your home country upon completing my visit, as I have professional commitments and family ties that require my presence. I have also arranged financial support for my trip, covering all expenses, and I will comply with all visa regulations. I kindly request you to consider my application, and I am available for an interview at your convenience. Sincerely, your full name, your designation, company name. Here's our sample B-1 visa application letter. See how it effectively presents your purpose of travel, demonstrates your professional background, and confirms your intent to return to your home country. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and persuasive application letter that strengthens your visa request. This letter helps the U.S. embassy or consulate understand your travel plans and ensure that you meet the visa requirements. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective travel documents.